Ultimate Guide to Life in Canada: What to do before you move. In this video, you will discover crucial things to do before and after your arrival in Canada. Every situation is unique, so the lists offer only a general indication of what you may need to do at various times. Things to do before you arrive in Canada. All necessary papers should be collected and carried to Canada with you and your family members who are immigrating. Common documents include birth certificate, passport, marriage or divorce certificate, educational diplomas and certificates including transcripts, official vaccination records, medical and dental records, driver's license and/or international driving permit, IDP. Make arrangements to stay with family or friends, or reserve a hotel in a good location. Prepare to find work in Canada by following these steps. Obtain reference letters from your past employers. Find out if your field is regulated or unregulated in Canada. Learn about how to research and apply for jobs in Canada. Start your networking and job search even before you arrive in Canada. For information on job opportunities in different domains across Canada, visit www.workingincanada.gc.ca. Research about Canada's education system. Keep track of deadlines for applying and registering at schools, colleges, and universities. Find out more about the province you're going to live in and the city or town where you'll be living. If you're coming to Canada during the fall, winter, or spring, consider buying a few warm clothing items to keep you warm throughout the first few days. Learn about Canadian laws and your rights and civic responsibilities when you become a resident of Canada. Once you arrive in Canada, you are expected to do the following important things in the first month. To assist you settle in Canada, go to an immigrant serving organization in your city or town to discover about the services they provide, as well as how you can get started. Apply for a health insurance card from the government. A government health insurance card enables you to receive Canadian taxpayer-funded healthcare, so apply as soon as you arrive in Canada. To work in Canada, you'll need to get a social insurance number, SIN. You can't work in Canada without a SIN. You should apply it as soon as you arrive in Canada. Provide IRCC your permanent resident card address so that you may receive your PR card in the post. Open a Canadian bank account. Gather information about your city or town and the local services available by reading a local directory or map. Also, study how to utilize public transportation to go from one location to another. Find out a quick and easy method of making phone calls and surfing the web. The national emergency number to memorize is 911. If you are experiencing a medical or other sort of emergency, do not hesitate to call for assistance. Now that you are equipped with the basic and crucial things, prepare yourself to settle down in the next few months in Canada. If you do not have a job, you should start looking for one as soon as possible. You may learn about available positions, how to properly prepare your CV for Canadian employers, mentorship programs, and so on at local settlement organizations. Search for a home to rent or buy. Register your children in school. Learn about both public and private schools in your region. Because the education of one's children is ultimately the responsibility of one's parents, it is important for parents to be involved in their children's schoolwork. If you want to drive in Canada, you'll need to apply for a Canadian driver's license. Learn about Canadian laws and your respective rights and civic obligations as a permanent resident of Canada. Find a doctor or healthcare facility where you can get all of your medical requirements met. When you receive your government health insurance card, schedule an appointment for a medical examination and vaccination update. The Canadian government has made it easy for newcomers by providing a variety of resources which can be found on their website. This was the first part of our series on Ultimate Guide to Life in Canada. Hope you are equipped and ready to make the move. Stay tuned for more in this series in coming days. If you have any additional questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out and ask us. Visit our website www.isaglobal.in. ISA Global is India's leading immigration consulting firm.